I'm talking about confidence and backtesting here today. I want to really make sure we understand what we mean by confidence. I did a short on this and I really want to talk about it in a little more detail. You gain confidence as a trader by actually interacting with the market, by actually interacting with the candles and the charts and the patterns and all of that. Now, what is it that you're interacting with? What do I mean by that? What do I mean by what is it you're interacting with? There is a possibility you can actually gain confidence doing the wrong thing. Let me explain. We know that crime is a very real thing in the world. We know that people kill and murder and steal and lie and cheat and rape. You can have a criminal who is very confident about his ability to kill and lie and cheat and steal and rape. But he's confident in it, right? You know why? Because he's been doing it so much times. Most times, especially serial killers and serial rapists, most times they have been doing it so many times that they are accustomed to this thing. Does that make it right? No, it's not. Let's stick a pin right there. As a trader, it's the same exact concept. You can build confidence in doing the wrong thing. You can build confidence in literally just taking trades with improper risk management. You can build confidence up in taking trades without any stop loss. You can build confidence in taking trades without even having an analysis. Does that make it right? No, it does not. This is a problem that a lot of people do not understand. A lot of people feel like you can just come into this industry and you just start to click buttons, press buttons, and then things will happen. You need to have a proper analysis. You need to have a proper risk management. You need to use a stop loss. You need to have good psychological and emotional control. I speak about these things daily. Every day when I am teaching, I speak about these things with students daily. How do you know that you're doing something right? Don't let anybody tell you that. Don't let anybody tell you if you're doing it right. Not even me. But I'll tell you this. You will know if you're doing it right by if you're getting good results over and over and over. And good results doesn't necessarily mean that you're only winning trades in it. Good results can also mean that you're losing trades, but the losses are consistent. Let me explain. Have you ever looked at I want you to unlock your phone right now. Unlock your phone right now and look at your trading history. And is it that when you're looking through your trading history, you're seeing loss, 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 win, loss, list, loss, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss? It should be it should be either you're losing consistently or you're winning consistently. You don't want to see loss, win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. You don't want to see that. You want to see wins consistently or losses consistently. Because losing consistently is a good thing. Not necessarily that you're losing, but you're getting some level of data that you can use. You know that this consistent amount of losses is giving you information that clearly this system is not working. But when you're winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, winning, losing, you're not sure if the system is working or if it's just luck. Now, by understanding if the system is working or not, that's a good consistent base to start to build from, and that's how you know if you have a good system to work with. And that's how you know you should continue to backtest the system more so you can get a better understanding of what's going on. That inconsistency, you don't want that. Now, let's stick a pin there as well. When you're trading, when you're in the chart, I'm looking at my chart here right now behind this camera. When you're looking at your chart, you should have a very good handle of what is going on. You should know that, okay, you have a general understanding of where the market is going. You have a general understanding of what it might do. And I mean, nobody knows, but you have a general understanding of what could potentially happen. Now, simple, this is very simple. You understand directional bias. You have a good understanding of the entry. That technical analysis is done. That's it. Now, it is about risk management. It is about emotional control. It is about stop loss placement and all of these other things. Doing that may not necessarily net you profits right then and there. It mightn't give you profits today, but by doing it over time, now you're building the consistency, you're building the correct habits. Guess what? And now you're gaining confidence in a system that has deemed itself to be more consistent. It has shown itself to be more consistent. And that's where the confidence comes from. Because I'll tell you this, I spoke about this before in a previous video. A good trader is not a trader who wins all his trades. A good trader is a trader who follows his rules and follows the rules of a system that has deemed itself to be profitable and successful. That's what an edge is. So we want to make sure that we are practicing good, consistent rules, and that's where your confidence is going to build from. Don't allow yourself to become confident in doing the wrong thing. Make sense? I hope that this video made some sense to you. It's very early here. I have, gotten up early and got an early start on doing this video because I really wanted to pump this one out. This is something that I have realized over the years as well. Something that's really potent and has worked for me, right? I really hope that you could learn and grab something from this because I think that this is very important. I said this before and I'll say it again. The technical analysis is not as important as you think it is. Don't get me wrong. It has its place and it is very important. But there are things that are above technical analysis. And until you understand that, you will continue to lose. I'm not asking you, I'm telling you, you will continue to lose. So I hope that you learn something from this. I hope you grab something from this. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly at EkataTrading1 at gmail.com, or you can contact me directly again on Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube at EkataTrading, and the links for that will be in the description. Other than that, guys, like the video, comment below if it is you agree or disagree with me. Let me know what is the most important. Comment this below. What is the most important part of your trading? What is the most important aspect of your trading? What do you place the most importance on? What do you think is the highest in hierarchy in terms of what is important to you? Do you feel like technical analysis is the most important? Do you feel like risk management? Do you feel like emotional control or stop loss placement? Comment below what you place the most importance on. Like the video and subscribe to this if it is you'd like to see more of this type of content. I try my best to be as transparent as I can be, telling you when I've lost. By the way, I'm telling you this as well. I am down 20 pips this week. I took 2 trades and I lost them both. It is what it is. Guys, have a great rest of your week. Today is Wednesday. So have a great rest of your week and I will see you all very, very soon. Peace out, guys.